Hi, new learner. This video is for enthusiasts of princes and princesses from 3 to 6 years old. So don't watch this unless you're that age or are a parent or has a child that age. First, let me introduce myself. I am Prince John of Teckerless. I don't live in a castle like most princes. Instead, I live in a little house near the Tecker Palace. I have one younger brother, Prince David. We will not know him now. Now, let's learn the basics of German. Every language needs sounds, and German has some letter combinations that have unexpected sounds. First, we have an A, an O, and a U with eyes. The A with eyes is an A in cash. Then O with eyes is like oo in goo. And U? Not a change at all. Know how we use S and H to make the S sound? The Germans use S, C, and H. Not only that, any S before a single consonant also makes the SH sound. The last unexpected sound. J's make the E sound. Next time we will really learn. Bye.